Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo here, and today I'm sharing 10 Dollar Tree gifts perfect for anyone on your list. Just because a gift is budget friendly doesn't mean it has to look shabby. These are all gifts I have put together for people in our lives like coworkers, neighbors, teachers, and friends, and I am proud to give all of them. I'd be happy to receive any of them, and I'm going to walk you through what's in each and give you a price point on all of them. Let's get started. First up, wrapping paper. It is not something you normally think of to give as a gift, but I am telling you this time of year, tape, scissors, gift tags, and wrapping paper can be a really budget-friendly, welcome gift for neighbors and friends. I did this one year for all of our neighbors, and I can't tell you how much they loved it. Just grab a roll or two of wrapping paper, some scissors, tape, and a set of gift tags. Tie it all up with ribbon or twine as I did here, and this is a lot of fun for a neighbor's gift. It stands really nice next to the door and always is a fun treat to come home to during the holidays. And they'll never have to run to the store for tape. Next up, the perfect gift for anyone on your list. This is a peppermint cocoa kit, and it is super cute. I grabbed some marshmallows, some mini candy canes, some hot cocoa, and these jars from the Dollar Tree. I grabbed 2 of the jars and 1 of their tins. This is going to make such a super cute gift to leave on our friend's doorway. This one is so simple to put together. You just put your mini candy canes in one of the jars, marshmallows in the other. I did add a little bit of shred to the bottom of the tin to raise the jars up, and then I tucked the hot cocoa packets along the back. I used some tape to secure the lid to the back of the tin and added some fun festive ribbon. I think this is an adorable gift, and I would love to receive this. I can't wait to give this to our friends and neighbors. Next up is the perfect gift for anyone on your list who is a pet lover. Now I'm doing this one for a neighbor who has 2 dogs, but you could easily do this for a cat lover as well. I picked up a few fun colored bowls, a treat container, and some toys from the Dollar Tree. I did pick up some treats from Aldi, which was right next to my Dollar Tree, a hairbrush, some balls. I really like this one in red and green. I was able to find this little treat hider at my 99-cent store for just $1. These are actually for my pet over here, but they do have leashes and collars, and the 99-cent store also had this collapsible water bowl. This one was super simple to put together. I used the dog bowls as the base. I added in the rope toys, the balls, the hairbrush, and the treat container. I did have to edit this one down so that everything would fit into the bowls, but all totaled, including the $2 bag of treats from Aldi, this whole gift cost me $10. I really like this. It's so different from our normal neighbors' gifts. I'm sure it'll put a smile on their face and a wag in a few tails. Now for something a lot more traditional. I am not reinventing the wheel here. I'm just sharing my ideas for this. It is a baking kit. In this one, I picked up a container to store the cookies in, some cookie mix, and sprinkles. Now the Dollar Tree has smaller versions of these, but I picked up the large one from Walmart. It is a family of 5. Some sprinkles from the 99-cent store, some food coloring and pot holders from the Dollar Tree. The cookie cutters and spatula are also from the Dollar Tree, and this is my favorite spatula in my own kitchen. For this one, I used some tissue paper to raise up all my items and then a little bit of shred from the Dollar Tree as well. I added the cookie cutters, the food coloring and sprinkles in front. The pot holders, spatula, and cookie mix are all along the back. I wrapped it all up in one of the clear gifting bags from the Dollar Tree where you can get 2 for just $1. It's one of my absolute favorite things from the Dollar Tree. I can't wait to leave this on our friend's doorstep. They've been friends for years and our kids have grown up with each other. They have 3 girls, and one of them loves to bake and dreams of being a professional chef when she grows up. All totaled, this cost $11, including a $3 mix from Walmart and the container to store the cookies in. And I think it looks like it would cost a lot closer to $25 in the store. Now, if you have someone on your list that is watching their waistline, you may want to think about putting together a healthy snacks gift basket. And believe it or not, it is doable at the Dollar Tree. They sell all kinds of healthy options, including dried fruits, mixed nuts, and pretzels. So for this one, I grabbed a tub that I thought was really cute, added some dried strawberries, apples, and peaches, a few of the Imperial mixed nuts, some Anderson's peanut butter pretzels, and in case they have a sweet tooth, some of their flips. The next gift is perfect for anyone who spends long hours at work or in the office. This is an emergency kit, and I'm going to break this down into 3 different versions for you. Dollar Tree has all kinds of things to add to a little emergency kit, from Tylenol to safety pins, a lint roller, toothbrushes, anything you might need in an emergency in a small container. For this first one, it's going to my husband's office. This is something I am putting in his stocking this year, and I know he will appreciate it. Things that he will use from time to time and not have on him. Starting off with some Band-Aids, some Advil and Tylenol in these mini packs. Now, he does suffer from some acid reflux, so I am putting a small pack of Tums in his. Also some nail clippers and cough drops. Cold and flu season is around the corner, and you never know when a sore throat will hit. I'm also going to add a pack of these brushers. These are perfect for brushing your teeth, maybe after a lunch that had a little too much onion, a chapstick, and some of his favorite gum. They all fit nicely in this small container I found at Walmart for just 99 cents. I'm going to pop this in the bottom of his stocking, and I think this is perfect for anyone who spends time at the office. Now, if you want to do something on a larger scale, maybe for a coworker, you can pick up a larger container. I found this box at the Dollar Tree, and I have filled it full of things for someone in our life that we love and appreciate, who spends hours on the job. In this one, I made sure to include some bandages, a little nail kit, some safety pins, cough drops, hair elastics, a toothbrush and toothpaste, anything she might be in need of during her day. Now, this one is sort of the medium size. This is going to a special teacher in our life who has had all 3 of our kiddos. In this one, I'm using a Dollar Tree tin and a few things I picked up that I thought she might be able to use throughout her day. All I did was line my tin with some colorful tissue paper. I'm going to put in a few safety pins and some Band-Aids. I think those are a must in a little kit like this. And running a classroom full of preteens is a feat, so you never know when a headache will strike. So I am including some Tylenol and Advil packets. Now, this teacher has long hair and often pulls it up in a ponytail, so I'm including some elastics. And of course, some Vicks cough drops. I really like these and keep them in my purse as well. But for a really sore throat, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in a pack of Cepacol. I was really happy to find that 4-pack at Dollar Tree, and I also picked up one of these little emery boards that come in a little protector, a little pack with a toothbrush and toothpaste in it. Again, you never know what you may end up with for lunch some days. I did pick up a little hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. That was just under $2 and just an added little treat. The small Scotch brand lint roller, I think that one I found at the 99-cent store. A pack of gum, chapstick, which is perfect for this time of year, and a snack, one of the Imperial Nut Energy Blends. I'm gonna wrap this up into the tin, and I will be including a gift card. Like I said, she's one of our favorites. Next up is a really affordable option. In this one, we're doing some cozy socks and a face mask from the Dollar Tree. I did pick up some peppermint celestial seasonings tea from my 99-cent store and a container to put it all in from the Dollar Tree. I love this one. I think it is so perfect for the season. and it is so affordable. I think it's perfect for any lady in your life, maybe even someone you're gifting to that you don't know super well. I know this time of year, I would never shy away from a cup of hot tea, some cozy socks, and a nice face mask. I also threw in a few candy canes. And lastly, a very simple gift for anyone you just want to give a little something to. For this one, I picked up a whisk from the Dollar Tree and a pack of the Hershey's Kisses. I'm also going to be including a gift card with this one, but I am going to make a special little tag that says, "We whisk you a Merry Christmas," something I believe I saw some time ago on Pinterest. So that does it for my 10 Dollar Tree gifts for anyone on your list. I hope I shared an idea or two with you that you can use to make your gifts more budget friendly this year. I'd love to know what Dollar Tree gifts you've put together on a budget. Feel free to comment down below and let me know. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.